welcome back to another video here. Well, we're playing a different game, so it is a different video, but it's a different game. I will put it in the link in the description because I don't have time, and I don't remember the name of the game. But basically, it's a lot like Call of Duty. Stay the hell away. Go away. We're not ready for our makeover yet.
Any more than 50 cigarettes must be declared so the duty can be paid.
No, I don't want to be a zombie. Go. Click V.
But over on the other bench,
Done. Mackin, there's also a good gun on that wall over there.
If they want to keep them, they will have to pay hundreds.
It's actually a really good gun. It's kind of a machine gun-ish.
An item that definitely shouldn't be there.
But Mac, once we can open upstairs, because the upstairs is a really crucial part. Because if you don't open the upstairs, then you get overrun like really quickly.
Luggage of this passenger.
Meat.
Stay away,
It's chicken claw. Look. It's feet.
Mac. We're being hit from the back.
Feet here, which is really high risk.
Hit him with our. Hit him, Mac. 2 hits. 2 hits will kill you.
Not permitted to come into the country.
Avian influenza is a major threat to Australia's poultry industry.
I got you, boy.
To human health.
Mac, over there.
These raw chicken feet are not the only dangerous
I got him.
items found in her bag.
Mac, go board that up. Go board this up. Come on. Go board this up.
Yeah, duck. Yeah.
We can both board it up, then we both get points for it.
More chicken.
Mac, once we're on level 4, let's open the upstairs.
You need to see him though. Yeah, the same.
I mean, once we're on wave 4, then let's open upstairs.
Chicken feet. Oh yeah.
No, go away.
It's still attached. Everything's still attached to it. That one's definitely out. I think this is going to be the same.
Whack him. It's whack-a-mole.
This one does look like
Mac, I think we're going to be overrun soon because we only have 2 people.
As the
It's just me
collection
and
of
you.
raw meat racks up, officers now make an
Stay away! We're not ready for our makeover yet.
Look.
Oh, Mac, we're being overrun. 2 times.
Better. Look at this.
Double points, just blast them in the head. You get double points for it. Oh my god, Mac, look at my points. Mac in the win. Mac!
But can our asses capture them?
Ah, damn it! Mac, we need 4 people. Just join a random server. Just join a random server if you have to get in the same one. Because we need 4 people, mostly.
So Sky 1.
No, Mac. You need 4 people. It's made for 4 people. We need 4 people. Just join a random server.
Sleeping mask and anything.
Just tell me when you're ready to join a random server. Yeah.
Little boy, I bet you'd like to visit the cockpit.
Join what lobby?
And this control stick is like the handlebars on your tricycle.
No, don't make one. Join a random one.
No, thank you. I'd rather push this button.
No.
Matt, if you click play and you see the first one where it's just free.
That guy has the same last name
Huh?
you do. Taxi!
Matt, quick! Just click play and then click the top one. Click play in the top one.
Oh, boo yourself.
Is this you?
The Watergate.
If you click play and then you see where the one where it says plus, just click the one above that and then click play.
Homer, look, they give you a shower.
And I'm gonna try and join your server if I can find it.
And a welcome.
It's really annoying.
Pillow.
Wow, a shoehorn, just like in a movie. Shoot goes up, shoot
Is this you?
shoot goes up,
No, it's not.
shoot goes up, shoot goes up.
Mac, leave that server and then click it at the same time.
Hey, I go first Betsy. Sorry, there's no such thing as first Betsy's. You just made that up. Oh, okay. Which one do you want? I want that one. Really? Want that one? It's all yours.
There we go. We're in the same server.
Nothing. Have a good night's sleep, Lisa. No, really, what? What'd you do to it? Nothing. Mom!
Yeah?
Oh, stupid welcoming ring. Yeah.
Good morning. This is your wake-up call.
Wake up call? It's 2 a.m.
place over here, where I am. Turn around. It shows like all the people that made the game. Also shows the ex-designers.
Good.
Well, good. Lisa, I'd like you to meet
Mac, look. Look. Mac, look, it's an ex-boyfriend.
Maria is the National Spelling Bee champion, and Trong has won both the Westinghouse Talent Search and the NFL.
Once we can open this place here, Mac.
Have either of you ever run into any problems?
Mac, look where I am.
Variability?
Open that place once we can.
Sure it is. Oh, me too.
These
What?
are special VIP badges. They'll get you into places other tourists never see.
Miss, what does the I stand for?
Important.
Ooh. How about the V?
Very.
Oh, and Miss, just one more question.
Person.
What does the I stand for again?
Stay away!
Honestly,
We don't want your candy.
back-to-back 300.
It's probably infected with zombies.
Wow.
It's no. We just died.
Viral push.
You like those damn badges. Okay, this tub was installed in 1894.
Money.
Where are all the flipping?
Hey, watch it, Chief.
Folks, we print more than 18 million bills a day.
Stay away. No, Mac, help me. Help me.
We don't give out free samples.
Monkey cheap country.
Yeah, karaoke's next Wednesday. Go away.
Hey, what's so funny?
Mac, just imagine this is real life and I'm just making jokes to flipping zombies. I'm just going, no, karaoke's next Wednesday. Go away.
Basically, what we want to do is cut her down. As you can see in our artist's rendition, it's
Can't open it yet.
aging and festering away. In comes our logging company to thin out the clutter. It's all part of nature's, cycle.
You see where all the the ketchup splatters are?
But,
Near where the ammo is?
burying toxic waste.
Where the ketchup splatters are? Well, that's how many points you have.
Congressman,
And the one that is the Big East is yours. Mac, revive him.
know how to put this.
Guard me while I revive him.
Bribe. What a
Revive him, quick. Don't turn it off. That one has sweets in it. That one has sweets in it.
Down here, I've got a little place that I use.
Mac, watch out!
Call me the...
Huh?
Oh, hi there.
Mac, I'm being hit.
Lisa Simpson.
Hello, sir.
Lisa?
Mac, I'm gonna open it.
And who knows? Maybe someday you'll be a congressman or a senator. Quite a few women senators, you know.
Only 2.
Sorry, but once I'm on the floor, it's pretty hard.
You're a sharp one.
Revive me. Hold F on me.
Shot always plays in the sticks.
There's a mystery box up here. No, it ain't.
Isn't that nice? Now there is a pot of biscuits.
I need 5k now.
Please for help.
Mac, once you get 5k, come over here. If you click F on this, once you have 5k, well, hold F, press F and hold F, then you get a way better gun.
Anyone up for the Winifred picture?
But Mac, there are more windows. A little help.
French passenger claims he
But once you're in here, it's harder to get overrun
girlfriend who lives here.
because you've got more space to run.
Messages discovered on his mobile phone suggest
I need a lot of it. I need a lot of money.
work here illegally.
Mac, open that. I mean, kill them all. Open fire. Oh.
He's coming back to Australia on a visa and he'll be able to work for another 2 months. And now I've just located.
Mac, go over to that window over there. Make sure nobody's blasting it away.
And it appears he has returned just in time to get back to work.
Are we being overrun?
To go back to work,
Or are guys downstairs doing nothing at all?
and he'll be working full time for 4 days.
Oh, for God's sake.
Tourist visa, that's not okay.
Officer Belinda will now confirm.
You are?
passenger
No, they're not.
the evidence.
I see no revive symbols. Mac,
Concern to
we're
us.
being overrun again. Stay away. No karaoke's next week. What are you doing here?
Working back here in Australia, and you know you're on a tourist visa, correct?
Yeah.
Are all guys dead?
Work on that visa.
No, they've opened the mystery box. I think the mystery box is in here.
Well, the roster suggested that you're working.
Is there a mystery box in here?
Saturday,
Where's the mystery box?
and this is where you were working previously. So were they paying you in cash previously, or?
Is this the mystery box? It is. Matt, come over here to get a good gun.
With this admission, the
But it's a lot of money.
immediately issued with a notice
What do I get?
consider cancelling.
Oh, I get a Thompson.
This visa does not allow visitors to enter the later months.
Get in. I've got a blooming Thompson.
Always be undertaken by an Australian citizen.
And then just click F.
Resident or
Mark upstairs. I need a.
The young man
You got what?
10 minutes to come up with a response that will allow him to
Shotguns are really good in this
his girlfriend again.
because they give you a lot of money.
compassion.
Mac, I think we're being overrun upstairs.
We take
Being not too sure.
But we'll just have to see what he has to say.
Then just get money by killing people. Oh, dude, that gun looks sick. That gun looks sick. And Mac, if you want to upgrade and get like,
Criminals.
oh, for God's sake, what's our teammate doing?
Australia. Next on page.
Let's go revive him. I'm out of stamina. Oh! Just open fire. Jesus.
This French citizen
Are you serious?
to Australia to see his girlfriend, but Border Force
Are you seriously all down?
intention to consider cancelling his visa.
I'll get you
They
first.
located incriminating text messages
Stay away.
the cafe work roster on his mobile phone.
You have to look at what you're making.
Not on my watch.
Australia as a tourist, and if you're working full time, well, it's kind of hard to be a tourist and work full time at the same time.
Did I get you?
Passenger now has a final
Did I get you?
opportunity to convince Officer
I don't see you.
why his visa
Oh.
should not be cancelled.
Dude. Don't die. Don't die. If you die, I'll kill you. If you die, I'll kill you. Okay, so guys, we're doing pretty good so far. We're not dead at least. Yes, I know we're doing pretty bad, but we are. Oh yes, I'm getting my first perk. I got Juggernaut. Actually,
But you told me
Yeah?
earlier that you were
What?
to work at the cafe.
hacking. Oh, he's just incredibly lagging, and that's where he spawned. Because I think once we're not loaded into the game, that's where he is. I think that's where we are once we're not fully loaded into the game.
In that there's a message that says,
Who killed the last zombie? Because I don't see him.
2 months.
Yeah, that was a joke.
I'm out of stamina.
Taking work.
Oh, Mac, he's hacking. 100% he's hacking. He's down here now.
Is
Mac, repair these. That's why we're getting overrun.
The grounds for cancelling your visa
Stay away.
outweigh the
Stay
reasons
away.
not cancelled.
Kill them. They blow up.
Cancelled for being refused immigration clearance. You'll be
I'm using this gun since I can get
non-citizen.
ammo for it.
Like, I wasn't going to work, really.
Kill it. Kill it.
Well, I accept
Kill it. It's a monster.
going to work. I accept that you have
Make sure the puppies don't come.
we're going to visit her too, but I also accept that you're actually going to work here in Australia.
Just make sure the puppies don't come back. Just make sure the puppies don't come.
That I do. You come.
And there is no puppies. I'm just lying.
Officer
Ammo.
This
Whee!
shows-
No, I should have had my best gun out.
He's here to work full time.
Damn it. Oh yeah, I still got ammo
It's just
for
a
it.
joke.
Get in.
I don't think that was actually a joke. I think it was serious, considering there was a roster that came after that.
Matt, come upstairs and board these windows. Matt, quick. The ammo. You see that ammo box that I had? Matt. Just make sure no zombies are coming in by any other. Board that up.
Meat. It's chicken claw.
There we go. I'm getting some money now. I'm gonna pack a punch this gun. I am. I'm gonna pack a punch to
From the
Thompson.
undeclared and prohibited raw meats which
Oh,
were found hidden in the luggage of this woman arriving from China.
Mac, just don't come in this room here.
Too good for her. It looks like she will be issued an infringement notice.
Kill him, quick!
Explain to the passenger that an infringement notice means paying a fine.
Revive.
Officers run into a problem.
She says she's got no money on.
What? Where's he going?
But before the issue of payment can be resolved, officers uncover
What's this guy doing?
shocking concealment.
I think he's AFK. Dude, what are you doing? I need to use this gun.
It's getting better and
Are you serious? He's literally terrible.
better.
If we die, then I want to see how many times. Mac, the video's gonna end. Guys, I hope you had a great time, but really, I'm not really up to deleting the video. And then,
Has been found stashed inside a
are you serious?
and as the
Mac, are you serious? Oh, damn it.
continue to mount up,